Are you looking for the easiest possible experiment to do with little ones with materials you already have at home? Well, I am going to show you my favorite one to do with my little kids, Magic Unicorn Bubbles. Hi everyone, I'm Emily Calandrelli, MIT engineer and host of Emily's Wonder Lab, and on my channel we learn about all things space and science. So grab your baking soda and your vinegar because things are about to get bubbly.
Emily's Science Lab, stay curious and keep exploring. Emily's Science Lab, stay curious and keep exploring.
For this one, all you need is baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring. I'm going to show you how to make rainbow bubbles with my Magic Unicorn Bubbles experiment. So what you want to do is grab a glass and put some baking soda in there. So take your baking soda and we're just gonna add a splash of water, like a tablespoon or so of water. And then add your favorite color. I'm gonna use blue, just a couple of drops will do. And the water just makes it easier to mix that food coloring in with your baking soda. So take a fork and mix that together. Mix, 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 mix. Whew! And it makes the most beautiful color baking soda you have ever seen. Now just repeat this process with all the other colors that you want to use and put this in a baking pan or somewhere outside, different bowls, because this is about to get bubbly and a little bit messy, and you probably, parents and adults, you probably want to be outside for this one. Do as I say, not as I do. So I repeated this for 6 different colors here, making my rainbow baking soda tray. And all you want to do is take your vinegar and we're gonna pour it right on top. You'll see why you wanna be outside for this one in a second. But what's going to happen is baking soda is a base, vinegar is an acid. And when we mix the two together, it kickstarts an acid-base chemical reaction that creates carbon dioxide bubbles. And so when you pour over the vinegar, you will see your magic rainbow unicorn bubbles. Parents and adults, I love this one because it is touch safe and taste safe, so great for little hands and just very easy to do. All you need to do is pour the vinegar on top of the baking soda. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Look how pretty that is. And that is our Magic Unicorn Bubbles. Whoa. I was like, what is that noise? It's the water spilling off. Thanks for making Magic Unicorn Bubbles with me. If you like this one, be sure to check out my best-selling Stay Curious and Keep Exploring book series for 99 more science experiments. I'm Emily Calandrelli. Subscribe for all things science and space. And remember, stay curious and keep exploring. I'll see you next time.
Emily's Science Lab.